In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to fix the issue of your sponsor blocking a certain merchant on Cash App. So what you're going to do is to actually, as you can see, there is a way to actually unblock that merchant. As you can see, if you would like to block a merchant or even unblock, as you can see, from using your Cash App card information, you may have the option to do so directly from your app. Go to the Activity tab, clock icon, choose the transaction from the merchant you like to block, select the icon of the merchant to navigate to their profile, select block, or in this case unblock, as you can see. But if you're not able to see it, well, then you have to actually contact your sponsor directly and ask them to unblock them. So if you're not able to do it yourself, then what you're going to do is to just contact your sponsor on Cash App and then ask them to unblock it, because that is the only way that you can actually do so. And if they have unblocked it and it still doesn't work, then you can always contact the support of Cash App and they will be able to help you with this. So basically, this is exactly how to fix this problem.